Yo, what's up guys, Gemini Jet 737 here, coming at you with a new video. Today I'm just teaching you guys how to make a little small vehicle or bus, whatever you want to make, out of paper for your Gemini Jets airport. So this is what we're trying to replicate. The materials you will need are some decorations, don't mind colored pencils, but you really just need pen, pencil, scissors, and tape or glue to tape this up, make the bus. So let's get right into the video. So first, you just want to make like however long you want to make the bus or vehicle. So right here, this is going to be the top of the bus. So we're just going to put some little AC vents on the top. Then the next step is to make like your sides. Your sides are going to go on the next like outside sides, as you can see right here. So you want to put some wheels. Doesn't have to be gray, I'm just giving an example. Then you're going to put front windows right here, or side windows. And the next step is your front and back. Make the windshield, put some little headlights on there. Then we're going to do the back. We're gonna need like some tail lights, make those red. And the next step is to add a bottom. Now we don't care what this looks like, it's just gonna be black for now. And then make this part a little longer so you could like fold it and it'll stay on the bottom a little better. So that's basically the tutorial. And the next step is to just basically just tape or glue it up. And I'll show you what that looks like after I do so. One last thing before you tape, fold your sides so it looks like this. It'll make your life a lot easier. Oh, one thing, quick little side note, please use graph paper so your sides are even. Make a lot life easier so you don't have to measure and stuff, so yeah. And here's the finished product of your little bus you just made. It is about 1/400 scale. It's about the same size as this bus scale wise. If I made it 4 sides long, it would be the exact same size, but it looks really good in my opinion, scale wise, but detail wise I could have done better. It was just an example to show you guys, but that's the easiest way I could put it to y'all. It should have been easy little 5-minute make. So yeah, please leave a like and subscribe if you liked this video, and yeah, see what comes next.